In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage items in Xero, a robust accounting software that can significantly streamline your business operations. We'll be walking through the process of creating and managing your product listings with ease. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Xero account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, enter your email address and password. This is your gateway to a whole suite of accounting functionalities, so make sure your login credentials are correct. If you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it by following the on-screen instructions. Click Login, and this will take you directly to your Xero dashboard. Upon arriving at the dashboard, look for the Business menu. It's usually located at the top of the page, and clicking on it will present various options regarding your business activities. Now, navigate to Products and Services, which will lead you to where all product listings are managed. This section serves as your primary hub for viewing, adding, and editing product details, so it's key to familiarizing yourself with it. Next, let's add a new item. On the Products and Services page, find the New Item button. Clicking this will present a form where you can input details about the new product you want to add. Start by typing in a unique code for the item. This code serves as an identifier and can be anything linked to your product, such as a SKU or a shorter form of the product name. Following the code, you need to provide a name for the item. Ensure the name is clear and descriptive enough for easy identification. Now it's time to fill out the rest of the pertinent details. This section includes various attributes such as purchase price, sales price, account codes, and tax rates. Entering complete and accurate data here is crucial for inventory tracking and financial reporting. Finally, after inputting all the necessary information about your product, it's time to save your work. Locate the Save button, which you'll likely find at the bottom of the form. Click it, and just like that, you've successfully added a new item to your product listings in Xero. And that's a wrap. Managing your products and services in Xero not only helps keep your accounting organized, but also assists in maintaining accurate records for your business. Whether you're manually handling your inventory or using Xero for sales tracking, this functionality is an invaluable asset for business efficiency. Remember to regularly check and update your listings to ensure everything is up to date. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope